Welcome to this lesson on setting learning goals. In this video, we will explore why having clear goals matters and how to create effective study plans. Clear goals give you direction, help you measure your progress, and keep you motivated throughout your learning journey. A structured approach with proper time management leads to consistent and better results. Setting learning goals is essential for success. When you have clear goals, you know exactly what you want to achieve. Goals help you track your progress over time so you can see how far you have come. This keeps you motivated and excited about learning. Additionally, celebrating small wins along the way boosts your confidence and encourages you to continue working hard. The SMART framework is a powerful method for setting effective goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific means your goal is clear and precise, not vague. Measurable means you can track progress with concrete numbers or metrics. Achievable means your goal is realistic and attainable, not impossible. Relevant means your goal aligns with your bigger picture and dreams. Continuing with the SMART framework, the T stands for time-bound. Time-bound means your goal has a deadline. Deadlines create urgency and help you stay focused. When you combine all 5 elements, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you create a powerful formula for success. Using the SMART framework transforms vague wishes into clear, actionable goals. Let us look at a real example of a SMART goal for English learning. The goal is to learn 500 new English words. This is specific because it clearly states what you want to learn. It is measurable because 500 is a concrete number. By studying 20 words daily, you will complete this goal in 25 days, making it achievable. This goal is relevant because learning more words helps you read simple books confidently. The time-bound element is 25 days, giving you a clear deadline. Now that you understand SMART goals, let us create your study plan. The first step is to assess your current level. Honestly identify your strengths and the areas where you need improvement. Understanding where you stand helps you set realistic targets. The second step is to set SMART targets based on your assessment. Define clear and achievable goals using the SMART framework. These targets become the foundation of your entire study plan. The third step is to schedule daily practice. Consistency is more important than intensity. Set specific times each day for studying English. Daily practice, even for 30 minutes, is better than studying for 5 hours once a week. Your brain needs regular repetition to learn effectively. The fourth step is to track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Review your progress weekly. If something is not working, change your approach. If something is working well, continue doing it. Remember, setting learning goals and creating a study plan is not a one-time activity. Your goals and plans should evolve as you grow and improve. Start with the SMART framework today. Assess your current level, set clear targets, schedule your daily practice, and track your progress. With dedication and a solid plan, you will achieve your English learning goals. Thank you for watching. Start your learning journey now.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.